Okay, so we have a couple of names here. So Carvana is another one, really interesting. Hims and Hers, interesting. Is that I think that's the drug company, no? Hims? People are buying a lot of Viagra. Okay, so yeah, so what I'm thinking about doing, tell me what you guys think about this. So I'm thinking I want to use this account. I have a $5,000 account. What I want to do is I want to give a trading strategy all of these symbols here, right? All the ones that have been doing quite well. Give it a nice basket of symbols and basically say, take a look at these symbols every day, right? Or maybe we'll do it like every Thursday or something. Maybe we'll trade like once a week. I don't know if we want to be over trading this. And we'll maybe hold it for like a week. So we'll go, what I'm thinking is we make a strategy, takes a look at all these symbols, sees which ones are doing the best, right? Kind of gets an idea of momentum of each of them. How have they done, let's say, in the past month or two, right? Figures out which one has done the best over the past month or two. And then we'll pick the top, let's say, 3 out of that bunch and then hold those for like a week. That's what I'm thinking. Right? What do you guys think about that kind of strategy? You think that'll make some money? I think that'll make some money. I think the back test will look really damn good, at least, at the very least. Let's try that out. Okay. So this is how we do this. Let's see here. Shariam says SXPE opening range break 5-minute chart break and close after first 15 minutes with 10-cent buffer. VIX has to be above 15. Once confirmed break, open at the money debit spreads based on the signal. Close for 30% profit. That's really interesting, actually. If you want, we can make this right now. You organize this very well. I could just stick this right into BotSpot. So let me take what you did. I'm going to plug that in. Let's just backtest that. Let's see if that actually works. So I'm going to stick yours in. So let's see what we get with that. So notice here, I'm on BotSpot. I basically go to create AI strategy. There's a big text box here. I type in plain English what I want to do. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. It's going to generate this code. Let's see what happens. Right? I think that's a very interesting thing to try. XSP. XSP, I think is that an index or is that XS? Yeah, that's the mini index. Yeah, we might not have data for that, so we might have to switch that up for SPY. But we'll see if it works with XSP. Right? Because index data is kind of difficult to get, but we'll see if that works. We'll see if we can get that. SPX should actually, we worked on this with another client recently, so I think maybe it should work. We'll test it out. Okay, so let's talk about this strategy here. So I'm going to copy all this, and I don't like typing, so I'm going to use voice to do this. Make me a strategy that buys at the money or even slightly in the money call options for these tickers that I've listed here. Okay. But now, some important things. We should buy the expiration. I think we buy it expiring like 2 or 3 weeks out, something like that, right? We don't have to be exact, but like at least 2 weeks out expiration. And then we hold it for a week. And then let's just do this do this every week.
Okay, like what you saw? See the strategies we've created in the marketplace or create your own with our powerful trading AI at www.botspot.trade.